Hey guys, we're kind of behind the scenes at Whole Latte Love here. Todd's going to do some latte art. Just finished up doing a video on the new Chiato E37S with the touchscreen display. Awesome grinder. And I like putting Todd on the spot with a latte art. We do these one takes where he gets one shot to do some good latte art. What machine are we using here?
We're looking the Bizarra Duo.
The Duo. Dual boiler.
Dual boiler.
Car PID.
Great steam pressure.
What are you going to pour?
We'll try Rosetta. Got steam pressure.
That's nice.
It does a nice job. Let me sneak through.
Make sure you wipe your wand there.
Yeah.
The Duo's a newer dual boiler machine with a new car PID. Okay.
Yeah, a little.
Here you go. One take, Todd.
Yeah, she's a little crooked, but she'll do.
A little crooked? Yeah. All right. Not bad. We'll do some more of those, right? You've been really practicing your technique, right?
Lately I have. Lately I've put a little more effort into it. So I have no excuse if they're not good.
So we'll do some videos with some pouring tips coming up,
Yeah,
right?
we'll try some hearts, some tulips.
Okay.
And that's about as fancy as I'll go.
All right, guys. Let's Todd and I'm Mark back here, a little behind the scenes at Whole Latte Love. Thanks, Todd.
Want to learn more? Subscribe now so you'll know about the latest videos on everything coffee from Whole Latte Love.